morning, Kranti. Good morning. I think only you two will be there today. So shall we proceed? And did you follow what I was teaching you yesterday? Can you hear me? Projekta and Kranti, can you hear me?
Correct, sir.
Let them respond.
Hello.
Projekta, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Kranti.
Morning.
Good morning, Amma. All right, did you follow yesterday's topic?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's proceed further then. Okay, am I connect avleda? Something is wrong with projector.
Hello?
Yeah, projector.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, shall we start?
Yes.
I think Devanshi won't be coming. All right. So did you follow what I was teaching you yesterday?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So I taught you how to basically go with this thing. What do you say? Design option, right? All right. Now let's proceed further. All right. Let's start with a topic today. So let's talk about topography. All right. Topography and landscaping. So basically, I was taking the same topic in the evening. All right. Now, can you define me what is topography?
Topography is a surrounding location and roads and all this.
That is,
Map.
you can say that that is not topography, that is landscaping, right?
That's okay.
So what is topography? What is a topo sheet? You're familiar with that word, Kranti?
Survey contours.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
pardon?
Contour.
Contours. Yes, that is
Yeah.
the word I'm looking for. All right. So what's happening here is, so before we start with that topography, what I'm doing here is, you can notice that I'm using the same model here. All right. You can see that I'm going to the site this time. Can you see that? All right. I'm going to site model, and then here actually I will be creating my topo surface. I'm working with my contours. All right. So what is this site? Site is nothing but it's a duplicate of level 1, that is ground level, that is level 0, and it got a certain setting such that the views below the level and the above the level is unlimited. Are you following me? That means when you talk about a site plan view, all right, from this level I can see unlimited height, and below this also I can see unlimited. All right, that is the property of a site view or a site plan, right? Now, so why? Because obviously when you go for a topo surface or this thing, what is it, this thing topo, what do you call that as? Landscaping. Not landscaping, sorry. What is the other word for this thing? Topo? Terrains. All right, when you talk about a terrains, it may be a hill, it can be a, what you say, lake. So it will be going above unlimited and below also unlimited, depending upon what kind of object or what kind of terrain that is. All right, that's why I have a plan view here, which is having unlimited from the top and unlimited from the bottom view. All right, so here I will be creating my topo surface. Did you understand what what I just said here?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you want, let's. Okay, fine. Most probably you have followed it. Always, eventually you'll follow that. So now, what I want is, I want to put a topo surface here. All right. So obviously, as you said, topo surface is nothing but contours. Am I right? So how do you define a contour?
Contours are the different levels of land. So
So contours are the
different levels of land.
line joining same levels of the land. All right. Contours are the lines joining same levels of the land. Am I right? So suppose this is what actually the contour I'm having. All right. Suppose I say this is at a level of say 300. This is very small though, 300. Then this is going up till say 400. This is 500. All right. This is 600. So what I kind of actually terrain this is a hill.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll
Well,
say this is 400. All right, then what you will decide is, okay, fine, I want to level this so that I can put a building here. Maybe I'll start my building with 400. Am I right? So what I will do, I'll just do the leveling here. So I'll just remove it if I'm going for a flatter area. And if you want to utilize this particular terrain or topo surface, what you can do is you can utilize this and come up with an architecture plan view. Am I right? So now, so this is what happening. So my ground level is my 400 right now. All right. Similarly, the model I have given you, say what model? So let's go for this one because I lost that particular file, sample file. So I'll just take it out of your folders. And yes, that also I will put it here itself, this one. All right. So what I want is, I want this sample. Okay, now let's talk. Let's see here. You will notice that basically he got a topo surface here. Can you see that? All right. You have the contours here, and he says the level of the contours. Can you see that? He's specifying the levels here: 50.850, 50.875. All right, 49.485. That means this particular contour is actually sloping down like this. Okay, this is getting higher and this is getting higher, so it's sloping down like this. All right, that's why what I did is, he has in your elevation, you might notice that he's showing me how exactly the topo surface is coming. Can you see that this yellow line? All right, this is your, what you say, natural ground level. All right, so this is how the topo surface is. Now what he says, what he is doing is, he took this particular topo surface contours and then he leveled the land. All right, so that's why he says proposed ground level. So now the proposed ground level is coming at a height of 50.10, because this is 50 mm, right? Or 50.55, sorry. Did you follow that? So my ground level is 50.55. So that's why what I will do is, I will just make it a level, and I say that my ground level is at a height of 50.55. Did you follow what I just said?
Yes, sir.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, okay, that is cool. I just want to isolate it. Oh, you lost the text though. All right, so what happening here is, he intend to level it so that everything will be at a height of 50.55. All right, similarly what we have decided here we have decided that we want to level it at a height of 400. All right, that means my ground level will be here, zero level supposed to be 400 according to me, and according to him, with respect to mean sea level, this supposed to be 50.55. All right, okay, now that is actually what we intend to do. Now what I'm doing here is, I'm coming down to site, and you already have a topo surface, you can utilize this CAD file. All right, but I'm not doing it right now, we'll do after we learn how to do manually. So what I'm doing here is, I'm assuming that I don't have a contour diagram. All right, I didn't receive the CAD file, but still I want to do the landscaping here. So what I will do here, so what I will do is, I will put this particular contour lines by myself, by specifying the points. All right, by specifying the survey points, I want to put the contour lines myself. So how will I do that? To do that, what I will do is, I'll go to massing and site. All right, go to topo surface. All right, and here you can see that you have place points. All right, so that means what I'm doing, I'm placing my survey points. Obviously that is what it is. All right, so I want to place my points, and when I'm drawing a contour line, that means it will be joining, it will be following a single elevation. Am I right? So
Sir,
right now, if I want to put a point,
sir,
and I
can you
want,
repeat it again, sir? I lost my connection.
pardon?
I lost my connection. Can you
Okay,
repeat it, sir?
okay, so what I'm saying here is, here I don't have, here I don't have my contour file, so I didn't receive this file. All right, so what I intend to do is, I intend to draw this whole thing myself. I intend to draw the contour myself without the contour file. So how will I do that? Or maybe I just don't want to show the whole actual natural terrain. All right, what I want to do is, I want to actually put a land here so that I can do the landscaping. All right, so to do that, what you will do is, you first go to here, where is that, you go to massing and site and click on this topo surface. All right, now I will start placing my own points for my contour, and you know that these points are supposed to have same levels to form a contour line. Am I right? So here I will specify the elevation. Right now he says the elevation of the point whichever I'll put is at 0, 0. All right, and he says it's an absolute elevation. Absolute elevation in the sense, This elevation, what you have actually assuming as 0, is this absolute elevation?
No, sir. It's a relative.
It's a relative elevation. But when I'm putting a contour file, actually he says this is absolute. That means, yes, I'm assuming that my ground level is itself, this level itself is my 0 level. Am I right? So I'm assuming that, okay, so I'm putting contour, it's absolute. All right. That means whatever points I'm putting it's parallel to the mean sea level. Then only it will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Not exactly mean sea level, the origin itself. All right. So I'm assuming that it's having an elevation of 0, 0, 0. Right. So now my assumption and my contours are one and the same. That is, I'm assuming that this is level 0. I'm putting my contours at 0. But according to Rivet, this is an absolute. That means if you are sending this building according to the survey readings, it will come above the land. All right. Okay. Now I just put it as 0, 0. Right now, just don't try to understand what I meant by absolute. All right, we'll learn that later on. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to put a topo surface here. So I just added points here and I said the elevation is 0, 0. So obviously it will coincide with the ground level of my building right now. All right, now I'll say finish it. I just finished it. We'll come back to this one. All right, once I say finish it, let's look at the 3D view. Can you see that? I have added a land here. All right. And you can clearly see that it's at level 0, 0. All right. And okay. Okay, this is good. Okay, fine. I thought this is wrong because I'm expecting it to be a bit 50 mm above the ground level. But you have brought the this finish down. All right. So this is how my ground level is. Now I'll further work on these contours because I just don't want a simple flat land. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm coming back to site plan. I will select this particular level and I'll say edit surface again. Just like your floor, you're getting back into the levels you have put. And let's add further points. I'll say this one is 3000. All right. So I'm adding points at a height of 3000. All right. Can you see here? So that means what he's doing, he's giving me contour lines at every 1 meter.
Okay.
Am I right? And this height is this point is at a height level of 3 meters. All right. So again, let's take another contour. Maybe I'll just bring it down here. I'll say this is 2000. Oh, not that too much. All right. And again, maybe I'll say the next point is 500.
You're drawing only one point and it is directly coming.
Pardon?
You're drawing only one point and all other points are coming directly.
No, I'm clicking here for every point. What I'm doing here is, I know that this is 300, right? I'm putting points along with this. All right. I'm drawing a contour line. But according to him, the survey is done for every 1 meter. So yeah, apne aap he is putting another 2 points, 2 lines here, contour lines. Did you follow me?
Yeah.
All right. So now can you
मुझे
see that
ऐसा
here?
लगा कि या आपने अभी जो लेवल की उसमें आपने एक ही पॉइंट दिया एंड ऑल अदर पॉइंट्स कम डायरेक्टली
नहीं मैं हर पॉइंट को क्लिक कर रहा हूँ ना. देखो, I'm clicking every point here. Oh, sorry. All right. I'm clicking every point here. Oh, बहुत ज़्यादा क्लिक कर दिया. मैं फिनिश करता हूँ. Did you follow this one?
Yes, sir.
एक level लो, take a level and start actually drawing that contour. फिर से I'm just drawing lot of things here. All right. Join that contour. अभी suppose मुझे यहाँ एक lake चाहिए या तो फिर एक body चाहिए. You know that this particular level is 500 and this is 0. All right. So it's sloping from 500 to 0. लेकिन लेवल्स क्या है, हर मीटर में दे रहा हूं, इसलिए यहाँ बीच में कोई कॉन्टूर लाइन नहीं आया क्योंकि ये दोनों में हाइट का डिफरेंस 1 मीटर नहीं है. ठीक है ना. सो नाउ व्हाट आई वांट इज I'll just select these points. I don't want them because while modifying it, this will disturb me. All right, like this. So suppose assume that there's a water body here. So how a water body contours will be? Obviously, they will go negative. All right. So but just make it sure that it's sloping properly because this is 0 and this is 500. ठीक है. अगर मैंने पहले क्या किया, मैंने 0 लगाया, 0 के थोड़े लगाओ पॉइंट्स. यहाँ देख रहे हो ना, 0 क्या कर रहा है, 0 से खींच रहा है. ठीक है. So this is 0. All right. Now again I'll say -1000. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बम्पी मत करो. -500 किया because I want to actually go properly. ठीक है. ये -100 स्लोली यहां से छोटा सा ये हुआ, स्लोप गया. देन आई विल से -3000. एक ही दम नीचे ले जाता हूं. ये समझ में आया मैंने कैसे पॉइंट्स लगाया? फिनिश करो इसको और इसको देखो कैसा दिख रहा है. ओ तेरी, कैन यू सी दैट? All right. So you can create any kind of topo surface. You are doing this manually, though this is not necessary. Manually लगा सकता हूँ, manually जरूरत नहीं है लगाने का. ठीक है ना? This is how I can create my own topo surface by putting the points.
So how to change contour interval, sir?
Pardon?
Contour interval, like you said, you kept 1 meter, 1 meter, right?
I didn't keep it. I don't change it.
Okay. It's automatically.
Yeah. So by default, he's taking that 1 meter.
Can we change that 1 meter?
I never changed it. So what you can do is you can simplify the surface here. All right. You have anything settings over here? No. No. All right. And another thing, I said absolute. All right. So you can even go for relative surface. Can you see that? I can put only, when you say relative, I can put only with respect to the topo surface. That's why I say relative. All right. But can you see that I can't change that 1 meter thing?
Yes, sir.
1 meter is a minimum thing. All right. So he didn't provide me that settings. Or can I go for any other settings? Let's see. You have anything? Manage. All right. So nope.
Sir, what you said about the relative thing, the relative में
रिलेटिव मतलब देखो, ये जो पॉइंट पहले आपने रखा वो एब्सोल्यूट है. ठीक है. So this is absolute 500. But when I'm going for relative, if I say place a point, I say now place it relatively. That means with respect to this 500. Now this 500 will be 0 for me.
अच्छा अच्छा okay.
All right.
So 0 उसको पकड़ेगा और
हाँ.
then he will. Okay.
ठीक है ना? So that is your relative.
So it's always better to keep the absolute.
Absolute. Yes. Basically, we don't draw it like this. All right. We don't draw it like this. But yes, even as Kranti asked, he want to change this particular intervals. What do you call that?
Contour interval.
Contour intervals, right? But I didn't ever actually saw it. Let me check if it's available. All right. Hanji?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
All right. Okay. Now this is done. This is how actually I can draw myself. All right. So now what I intend to do is, rather than drawing myself, I intend to bring my CAD file and convert that. Now see what will happen. All right. So that's why what I did here is, okay, you don't have to isolate. I'll say unisolate. Acha, layer and isolate, right? Iski to. All right. Now what I will do is I will bring this CAD file here. All right. And then I will convert this contours, what is given in the CAD file, into my topo surface. So that is what you are supposed to do. So what I will do is I'll bring it here at the side. I will say insert. All right. I will say, obviously I need to link the CAD, All right. So it will be in downloads. Let's go to downloads, my computer, downloads, sample file, sample one. All right. Now here you say instead of origin, center to center, I'll say open. You got that? So what you do know is you have to move this one here. All right. So you already have that particular point, the advantage. All right. I can just place it here like this. It's been placed perfectly, the land. All right. Now what I will do is I will convert this contour in the CAD drawing into my topo surface. And one more thing you have to notice. See, you have assumed that this is 0. Remember that? All right. But can you see that when I'm putting the contour file, my contour is at the exact level? Did you follow what I said?
Yes, sir.
All right. So my contour is at a height of whatever height he has specified here. All right. So, but you can see the contour in the plan view because as I said, site is unlimited from the top to the bottom. Now, what I intend to do is I intend to actually convert this topo, what you say, CAD file topo surface into real topo. So what I will do, I'll come down to site. I will say massing and site. All right. You say topo surface and you click on create from import. All right. And select the import instance. Select it.
Sorry, topography and then
यहाँ
create
देखो
from it.
यहाँ पे create from import. ठीक है? Say create from import. Now you click on this, select the, you can see that I can even bring a Excel file. Did you follow that? If you have a topo surface of Excel file, you can do that. Or it's not Excel though, CSV. अंटे आपका टोटल स्टेशन का जो रीडिंग है ना, मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ इंपोर्ट कर सकता हूँ. All right. So I can import that particular data, total station data, but making sure that it's in the form of CSV. All right. Now here what I'm doing is I'm converting from the CAD file. So I'll say select from instance, select this particular thing. All right. Uncheck everything because I don't want all the layers. I want only check none. I want only these topo surfaces, major and minor. All right.
Which one? Sorry, हाँ, surface.
यहाँ देख रहे हो ना?
हाँ.
Contour major और minor. आप जब भी CAD फाइल में जिसमें contours होंगे ना देखोगे, you will have only these two lines, these two layers, because ETS से total station से directly इन्होंने convert किया हुआ है. There you go. I said okay. Now you can see that now they have actually converted, and you can see Kranti here actually according to what they have done. Survey reading, I got that particular intervals. All right. And you can see the points also, they have specific distance here. All right. Maybe this is a very small area, but it might be a bigger area. Then this will become too heavy for us. For that, what I can do is I can simply go to simplify the surface. All right. And I can make the points. He says the point is accuracy is 76.2. I'll change the accuracy. So maybe say, let's go for say 100. Now see what will happen. Can you see that? The points got reduced. All right. So
Sir, ये कब करना है? Simply surface.
आपको लगा कि बहुत हेवी फाइल है, बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्टूर पॉइंट्स हैं. मुझे तो टोपो सरफेस से मतलब है, मतलब उस शेप से मतलब है. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स होंगे अगर आपने बड़ा बिल्डिंग लिया तो. ठीक है. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, पॉइंट्स को कम कर दे रहा हूँ. देख रहे हो? So I increase the distance between the points. I have reduced the density of the points by simply clicking on this. All right. And I'll say okay. Now you will finish this one. अभी देखो आपका topo surface आ गया. What I will do is I'll go to insert, I'll go to manage, I'll remove the AutoCAD file. All right. Go to click and you say unload. Okay. अभी यहाँ देखो क्या हो रहा है. देख रहे हो? ये ऊपर आया. क्यों आया ऊपर? क्योंकि आपने इसको 0 0 किया था. You have assumed that this is your 0 0, but this is coming height at a height of whatever height, 50.60 with respect to this 0 0 level. समझ
Yes,
गए?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ठीक है ना? तो अभी क्या होगा, ये राइट है, इसको मैं सीधा डील कर सकता हूं। तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूं, यहाँ DI बोलूंगा, इनको लॉक कर देता हूं एक बार, क्योंकि आपको बिल्डिंग वहां बिठाना है। तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, इनको लॉक कर दिया। लॉक करके ना इसको क्या करूंगा, I'll select this one and I'll say this supposed to be 5060। ये ठीक है? Did you follow that? हाँ जी, सन में आया ये?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is the option available for your this thing, for your what, for the model we have done. That means what I did is, rather than thinking of making this one, I have changed the relative to this one. रिलेटिव रीडिंग को ही मैंने चेंज कर दिया ऊपर तक। और हम क्या कर रहे थे, अब तक ग्राउंड लेवल को 0 एज्यूम कर रहे थे। अभी मैंने ग्राउंड लेवल को क्या किया, 50.550 कर दिया अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रीडिंग। ऑलराइट, सो यस, यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ योर मॉडल लाइक दैट आल्सो, क्योंकि मैंने अब तक आपको ये चेंज करना नहीं सिखाया। अभी यहाँ देखो, ये लूंगा ना मैं, दिस इज एट 0 0, कैन यू सी दैट? That is your project base point, all right, and also your survey base point is at that level. अगर मैंने project base point का elevation change किया 50,506,00, all right, अभी देखो क्या होता है, कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है, एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है, anyway, I don't want this. All right, did you follow this one? So I brought my building on the top of the contour. Now you can see that how actually they were showing us the natural ground level. देख रहे हो? This is the line, yellow line he was showing us till now. There you go. All right, this was the yellow line he is showing us like this. All right, okay, ये थोड़ा फर्क नहीं है, here it's almost straight, right? But I don't see it almost straight there at these levels. Sorry, can you see that? All right, now what I will do is, so you don't have to worry, this is exactly what how it's supposed to be. मतलब ये बंदा जो natural ground level draw किया है ना, this is wrong. According to the survey, this is how it's supposed to be. क्या किसी ने straight कर दिया था क्या? नहीं. All right, so this is how the natural ground level is supposed to be. Now what I will do is, so मुझे ये level करना है, level करना है तो क्या करूंगा? Obviously I'll go to the site, I will modify this one. All right, I will edit it, I'll make all these points equivalent to 50600. Oh, sorry, 50,550 है ना? That is my ground level. तो मैंने सारे प्लान पॉइंट्स को फ्लैट कर दिया according to him. Now this is the, let's take a section rather than this one. So according to him, this is the natural level. Did you follow the difference here?
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया।
अच्छा कुछ नहीं, ये तो पता चल, यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया ना आपको?
आपने सर 55 तो सब कंटूर्स चले गए सर, वो कैसे हो गए?
ऊपर तक चला गया ना, यहाँ तक समझ में आया ना?
हाँ ये समझा सर, यस।
अभी इनका इंटेंशन क्या है? इनका इंटेंशन ये है कि मेरा टोपो सरफेस तो ऐसा है, मतलब यहाँ मुझे फिलिंग करना है, यहाँ मुझे एक्सकवेशन करना है।
यस।
तो ये कैसे दिखाओगे यहाँ पे? मतलब सीधा सीधा ये he says this is your proposed ground level, that is blue line. So that means all these levels should come down to 50550, है ना? तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ये सेलेक्ट करूंगा, एडिट सरफेस बोलूंगा, सारे पॉइंट्स को सेलेक्ट करके मैं बोल दूंगा these points are supposed to be, मैं जानबूझ के एलिवेशन में कर रहा हूं, 50 550 सारे पॉइंट्स को सेलेक्ट करके उनके लेवल्स कर दिया, हो गया स्ट्रेट। ये समझ में आया आपको?
यस।
मैं बस वो जो क्या है, मेरा जो टोपो सरफेस उसने दिया उसको मैं लेवल कर रहा था, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे देखो कोई तुक नहीं बनता, किस चीज का?
तो
कोई
अभी
तुक
तो
नहीं
सर
बनता
ये,
कॉन्टूर
हाँ
लाने का।
हाँ वही सर, तो ये तो फ्लैट हो गया था।
एग्जैक्टली तो कॉन्टूर लाने का कोई तुक नहीं बनता, लेकिन दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू, ठीक है ना।
और
जैसे
अगर
कि
हमें सर नेचुरल वैसे रखना है और हमें कटिंग फीलिंग दिखाना है तो इज इट पॉसिबल इन रेविट?
कटिंग फीलिंग दिखाना है तो व्हाट वी डू इज आई विल शो यू, राइट, आई जस्ट अनडू इट। All right, so what you can do here is you go to this site level and you go to this particular thing, what you say, view में जाओ, ठीक है ना। व्यू में जाके you go to, कहाँ गया, सॉरी, मासिंग एंड साइट में you have something called building pad, can you see that? Draw a building pad. What you will notice that that building pad supposed to be 50550. क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ जीरो से ले जा रहा है, उत्तरी जीरो लगाओ, सॉरी सॉरी, वो विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू लेवल सी है, ठीक है ना। अभी देख रहे हो बिल्डिंग पैड जो भी लगाया मैंने विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू जीरो लेवल आया, यहाँ देख रहे हो अभी, यू कैन सी द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कट एंड द फिल,
हाँ दिस इज मच, हाँ
ठीक है। सो कैन आई एक्चुअली कैलकुलेट इट, यहाँ देखो अभी, हाँ 2D में आ जाओ, ऑलराइट, रिवीजन में यहाँ कर सकता हूँ कैसा,
साइट में जाके व्यू में जाके मार्किंग
create
किया
a
ना
new
हमने।
topo surface exactly like the existing one, create a new topo surface based on the perimeter point, हाँ जी।
हम लोगों ने साइट में गए, व्यू में गए और फिर बाद में मैनेजिंग,
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने ये जो है ना बिल्डिंग पैड करके,
मार्किंग एंड साइट में।
हाँ बिल्डिंग पैड क्या होता है, बिल्डिंग पैड इज जस्ट लाइक के ये राफ्ट फाउंडेशन समझ लो, यहाँ दिख रहा है आपको, this is your building pad. So imagine that it's like a raft foundation, that is a floor, but actually what it does is it's is providing me where exactly my building is setting, और यहाँ पे ये दे देगा बंदा कि कितना आपका ये वॉल्यूम आ रहा है, then you can obviously calculate this volume, यहाँ देख रहे हैं आपको, can you get the projected area, surface area? एक मिनट यार, if you don't mind, अंडे చిన్నబాగా తీసుకెళ్లారు ఆ రోజే చలాన్ చేస్తాడు, చూద్దాం కడదాం, తీసుకెళ్ళాడు అరగంటలో చలాన్ వచ్చింది, సరే కడదామండి. Okay, okay, did you follow this one? Now you can see that he is giving me the perimeter area, ठीक है, or he is giving me the surface area also, all right, but I can actually calculate the volume with this, देख रहे हो ना, आपका एक्सक्वेशन और फिलिंग का वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे,
मिलता है सर क्वांटिटी?
हाँ जी,
वो क्वांटिटी किधर से मिलेगा सर?
वो हमें फॉर्मूला लिखना पड़ेगा अभी, ये जो है ना,
हाँ,
इन दोनों को लेके हमें कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। So he is already giving me the projected area, all right, so he is giving me how much is total this surface area is, all right, and this he is giving me the, sorry, projected area he is giving me, and he is also giving me the surface area, all right. So maybe with these two we can do the calculation how much excavation and how much filling can be done, all right. Okay, so now right, so what I intend to do is, यहाँ करने के लिए बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, देखो people what they do is they can even merge two separate ones. So क्या करूंगा, suppose मैं I'm giving a surface here, suppose I'm putting another topo surface here by myself. All right. And I say the point is here at an elevation of, abhi I can go for relative. All right. I can go for relative and make it 0. But here I'm saying what you say, 3550. Sorry. What is that? 60550. All right. And I'm putting a
50.
points here.
50, sir.
Huh? Acha, 50. Sorry. Then I need to remove this one. See, these all are, I'm experimenting right now. All right. Because we don't have to do that much right now. But still, what you say, I'm experimenting. Say I want actually this particular level. Maybe I can merge them together like that. All right. So what I'm doing here is I'm going for topo surface. I put a point here. I'll say 50, 550, 550. All right. Now again, I'm putting this. He says absolute, right? So I'm putting points 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fair enough. Finish it off. Let's see what we have created. Can you see that what I did is I have created a surface here. Where is that? All right. I've created a new surface. It's exactly above that. There you go. Can you see that? So what I intend to do is I intend to merge them together. I say merge this and the other one. कुछ हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. इसलिए काट के merge करो. All right. Now, so what I'm doing here is I intend to, you have this particular topo surface, right? What I can do here is I can cut it out. So what I'm doing here, I will take this one. All right. I'll say split surface. All right. And I'll select this particular surface. And now I'm deleting it. The topo surface do not suppose the surface. The surface material will not be displayed. Okay, fine. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm actually creating this particular. So I have divided this into 2 pieces. Can you see that? One piece and another piece. Now what I will do is I'll take this piece and now I will edit the surface and I will make this one, the whole thing into 50, 550. Only that portion. I'll finish it off. Now see what happened here. यहाँ देख रहे हो? ये pad हटा दो. I don't want the pad. All right. You can see now I have 2 surfaces here. One is over here, this one. The other one is over here. Now what I intend to do is, let's see, I will try to merge it. देख रहे हो ना, मैंने काट के उसको 0 0 कर दिया. ठीक है, merge करो इसको. This one and this one. यार ऐसा नहीं हुआ जैसा मुझे चाहिए था. देख रहे हो क्या होता है, ये स्मूथली ज्वाइन होने लग जाता है. यहां से मजा नहीं आया. ठीक है. So so in this particular case, what I will do is I will just simply put all the points and take it to 0 0. All right. So I'll just take it here. I'll edit here. I'll just put it here and make it 0 0. And if you want to calculate the volume, I can do this way also. मैंने एक pad रखा ना, कहाँ गया? I have added a pad here, which is at a height of 0 0. All right. So let's finish this one. What I said here, I have said building pad. All right. So I said this is my building pad. All right. I'll say finish. All right. Now what happened here is, oh, इसको फिर से 0 पे लिया हूँ. ये जो building pad है ना, is getting an offset. So give an offset of 0. So because the building pad is relative, remember that. All right. Now what I can do is I can create a mass here and I can calculate the total volume. Yes, हम topic से बाहर जा रहे हैं, but I can calculate the volume of excavation by creating a mass here. मैं delete क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Anyway, you will draw these things separately. All right. You won't draw the same thing. So what I can do here is I can hide this. All right. Now you can just simply create a mass and calculate the volume excavation and also calculate the volume of this thing. Can you see that? It will be a bit hard though, but you have to create a mass like that. All right, so this is it. All right, this area, because it's a combination of both excavation and filling, but what I want is I want separately excavation, I want separately filling. All right, I can do that particular calculation. Anyway, now मैं टॉपिक से डाइवर्ट हो जा रहा हूं क्योंकि वी आर गेटिंग इनटू थिंग्स other things. All right, so let's come back to this one. So what I can do right now, ये topo surface क्या है, हमने खुद ही बनाया, ठीक है. So I'll just delete this one. Sorry. Filter it, check none. कहाँ गया मेरा survey points? All right, I just want to delete everything. So what we did is we have created a surface here. Can you see that? All right, now I want this surface, actually I want to create actually landscaping for that. All right, maybe what I can do is I can do a bit of work on this one. So right now this is at 0 0, remember that. All right, this is everything is from with respect to 0 0. What I will do is I'll say edit surface here. Now I can convert these things to 0 0, but what will happen is this one will actually keep on sloping with respect to this. अगर मैंने यहाँ 0 किया ना मेरे roadways के लिए, तो क्या होगा, ये यहाँ से 0 से यूं slope होगा. So that's why what I will do is I will split this surface. So like this, see, I'll go to massing and site. All right, I will say split surface. I'll select this surface. So he says the topo surface does not support surface pattern. The surface pattern associated with the material will not be displayed in the indicated. So since we have given material to this, so he's showing me that error. Now what I know is this particular area is 0. So I want the rest of them also to be 0. So I'm splitting like this. Can you see that? Because I want a road here. All right, maybe I want a road here. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting this particular area and then I'm splitting it. Did you follow how I did that? Now you select this one, you go to edit surface and you make this one, all the things equivalent to 0. Finish it. ये समझ में आया आपको? देख रहे हो? So that I can put a road here. Now the question is what to do with this particular gap. Yeah, obviously ये excavate हो रहा है ना, so maybe I'll cover that with a retaining wall. All right, if it's too much, or maybe my my curbs itself will cover it, because what is the height here? देखिए ना 1 meter का difference है. So obviously if I want to do this one, if I want to level it properly like this, I want a retaining wall here. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
All right.
आपने स्प्लिट करके सभी को 0 दे दिया.
सभी को नहीं किया. मैंने क्या किया, देखो यहाँ मुझे रोड चाहिए तो मुझे यहाँ लेवलिंग करना है ना, ये देख रहे हो ना, ये 0 लेवल है मुझे पता है, ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे क्या है, एक रोडवे चाहिए था यहाँ से यूं जाने के लिए, तो मुझे रोड यहाँ से ऊपर से नीचे नहीं जाना, मुझे रोड के लिए यहाँ एक्सकवेट करना था, मतलब रोड के लिए लेवल कर देना ग्राउंड लेवल तक. तो मैंने क्या किया, ये टुकड़ा मैंने काट दिया, जो मेन आपका टोपो सरफेस था ना, उसमें से ये टुकड़ा मैंने काट लिया. ठीक है, टुकड़ा काट के मैंने क्या किया, इसको, इस टुकड़े को एडिट करके इसको ग्राउंड लेवल पे ले आया. तो ये ग्राउंड लेवल पे आ गया. ठीक है, अभी क्या करूंगा, सिंपली मैं यहाँ जो है ना, यहाँ पे एक रिटेनिंग वॉल डालूंगा, तो मुझे जरूरी नहीं है कि ये दोनों ज्वाइन करूं. समझ में आ रहा है मैंने क्या बोला? ऑलराइट, आपको समझ में आया ना? तो मैं यहाँ रिटेनिंग मतलब यहाँ स्ट्रक्चर आइटम आ जाएगा, नॉट एन इश्यू, बट दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू वर्क विथ टू पीसेस देन. ऑलराइट, नाउ इफ आई वांट टू जॉइन इट टुगेदर, देखो अगर मैं मर्ज करने की कोशिश करूंगा ना, तो देखो क्या होगा, ये 1000 से यूं स्लोप होने लग जाएगा. तो पूरा कचरा हो जाएगा। देखो मैंने बोला मर्ज सरफेस दिस एंड दिस, देख रहे हो वापस ले आया इसको। सो द मर्जिंग इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू माय रिक्वायरमेंट, देख रहे हो ना।
And we can provide road in slope only, right?
You can do that, then you don't have to worry about keeping it zero.
Yes.
All right, so let's do that particular thing also, slope road on the slope itself. But you have followed this concept, right? Because this is very important for your topo surface, क्योंकि जब डालते हैं ना लैंडस्केपिंग, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज यहाँ पूरा आप लेवल कर लोगे, ठीक है। जैसे कि मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी प्रोजेक्ट मेरा कहाँ गया, ये भी दिखा सकता हूँ एक्चुअली आपको। देखो यहाँ कमांड्स कम होता है, और जब एग्जैक्ट ड्राइंग होता है ना, हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू गेट इट डन, ऑलराइट, उसी में पता चलता है कि हाउ यू डू इट। बट हियर वी कुड एबल टू डू ओनली वन पर्टिकुलर व्हाट यू से कमांड, दैट इज व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ स्प्लिटिंग द सरफेस, ऑलराइट। बट you have followed what is the purpose of splitting the surface.
Yes, sir.
All right, so what Kranti said is, sir, we can use the topo surface, my road will go like this itself. Yes, that can be done. I will go to the site. All right, I'm drawing a road. All right, if you want to draw a road, what you do is, usually what we do is, if this is level like this, we'll just put a floor there to display the road. All right, but here he has provided something called as subregion. All right, what subregion does is, it is actually used for displaying the roadways, right? So you can display what kind of material. Maybe I'm going for bitumen itself. So what I will do here, I will click here and I'll say the material is, what shall I go for? Asphalt will be there. All right, see
ऊपर
कहाँ पे है?
ऊपर
asphalt bitumen is there. All right, I can use asphalt bitumen as my road, and I will start drawing the hardscape. All right, this is the hardscape, I say. So yes, my road is coming like this, say from here, don't go beyond your topo surface. All right, my road is coming like this, and but practically देखो क्रांति, what we usually do is यहाँ level कर देते हैं, क्योंकि I don't want my road to be on bumpy area like this, right? All right, no, all I want is actually maybe this one, that's it. Did you notice what I did here? I have created a closed loop. All right, I say this is my roadway. If you want, maybe this is my parking. All right, so for parking, जरूरी नहीं है आपको ऐसे ही करना है, मैं just क्रांति के लिए दिखा रहा हूँ. This is my parking. All right, now I'll go for this one. So this is the roadway to my parking. So क्या करूँ, split. मैंने एक ही लूप में ये पूरा खत्म कर डाला. समझ में आया आपको? This is my hardscape say. All right, so yes, obviously those supposed to be roads, so obviously there won't be any sharp curve, so I have to fillet them. All right, do that accordingly. So what I'm doing here, I'm just providing a fillet. Whatever road according to the standards, you can provide how much the curves are.
फिलेट के लिए आपने क्या किया? वो
ये रहा ना आपका कमांड फिलेट.
अच्छा,
ठीक है, तो रेडियस बता सकता हूँ फिलेट का.
फिलेट रेडियस कैसे चेंज वहीं पे कर रहे हैं हम लोग सर?
हाँ, सेलेक्ट करके भी चेंज कर सकते हो जैसे यूजुअली डू. ये देख रहे हो ना, वी कैन स्पेसिफाई द रेडियस देयर. ओ तेरी, ठीक है, और कोई चारा नहीं है, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. ठीक है ना? ऑलराइट, ये समझ में आया. सो इट्स सपोज्ड टू बी अ क्लोज्ड लूप. सो दिस इज माय पार्किंग एरिया. फिनिश कर दो. दिस इज हाउ एक्चुअली वी कैन पुट द roadways. And now, as Kanti said, sir, my road supposed to occupy the terrain.
Okay. Understood.
Did you follow that?
Yes, sir.
All right, like this I can do it. Can I give a thickness to this? No. Basically, I can't give a thickness to this. right? But this is how we actually go for the hardscape.
Okay, sir.
And now, as I said, अभी फर्क समझे ना, मैं ऐसे क्यों किया मैंने? अभी मुझे ये स्ट्रेट रोड चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको, इस एरिया को काटूंगा, पहले सेपरेट करूंगा बाय व्हाट, सॉरी वो शेयरिंग हो रहा है ना, ऑलराइट, आई विल कट दिस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन, आई विल मेक इट फ्लैट नाउ एंड देन पुट ए रोड देयर. Alright, so here also maybe I need to do the same thing for my parking. Did you follow that?
Yes, sir.
अब इतने स्लोप में मैं अगर पार्किंग दूंगा तो गाड़ियां स्लाइड होते रहेंगे.
Understood, sir.
All right, it's all up to our requirement. It's all depends upon the how exactly you are doing your landscaping. All right, now you have followed what is your this thing.
सर
Yes.
इसमें रैंप कैलकुलेशन वगैरह वो नहीं होगा ना?
हाँ जी,
स्लोप कैलकुलेशन वगैरह फिर
क्या कैलकुलेशन?
स्लोप कैलकुलेशन मतलब अगर मैं पार्किंग में जा रही हूँ और मेरे रोड की लेवल और पार्किंग की लेवल अलग है,
तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना आपको, अगर रोड की लेवल आपका पार्किंग की लेवल अलग है तो आपको ऐसे अलग अलग काट पुट के उसको अलग अलग ये देना पड़ेगा. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट, तो मैं तो ऐसे पार्किंग नहीं लगाऊंगा, तो मैं क्या कर दूंगा, मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं बोलूंगा टेक दिस वन, I will say take this, I'll say split surface, select this one, the whole topo surface. और तेरी स्प्लिट सरफेस बोला, यहाँ क्लिक करो, देख रहे हो आ गया. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, यहाँ पे मैं इसको ये रेक्टेंगुलर पीस काटूंगा यूं, ठीक है, स्प्लिट कर डाला मैंने उसको. अभी इस टोपो सरफेस को लो, टोपो सरफेस को लो, ऑलराइट, एडिट इट, एंड इसको मुझे क्या करना है, ओ तेरी टोपो सरफेस का है,
You have to go to plan, right?
pardon, no, we can select it here itself. ये सब रीजन है ना, सब रीजन पहले डाल दिया ना. ऑलराइट, एडिट सरफेस आ रहा है, एडिट करो उसको और इनको कर दो सारा जो लेवल पे चाहिए आपको. तो ये कितने लेवल पे चाहिए, मे बी आपको पता चला कि आपको स्लोप चाहिए, तो डिलीट दीज पॉइंट्स, आई डोंट वांट दीज इंटरमीडिएट पॉइंट्स. देख रहे हो, मुझे रिफाइन करना पड़ता है इसे. आपको स्लोप देना है तो स्लोप ऐसे दो, सिर्फ यहाँ पॉइंट्स है और यहाँ पॉइंट्स है. नाउ यू नो दैट यहाँ लेवल एक लेवल दे सकता हूँ मैं, यहाँ एक लेवल दे सकता हूँ टू गिव दैट पर्टिकुलर स्लोप. Alright, so right now this is 0 0, and how much is this one, I'll make it 0. Finish it off. Now you got a flatter surface. Can you see that? But yes, of course, to fill this one maybe you have to put the retaining wall. यहाँ soil रोकने के लिए retaining wall चाहिए आपको.
Sir, here can we draw that wall, sir?
Yes, we have to draw, in fact. Can we, Kado? We have to draw it.
Okay. But it,
నేను delete చేయలేదు కదా. बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, अंधाधुन क्या होता है हमें ना, ओके वो तो ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, तो लेट्स टेक दिस वन, से के श्रीकांत से मेरी बुरी आदत है, डिलीट कर डालता हूं मैं सबमिट करते ही मैंने डिलीट कर दिया शायद. देखता हूँ साइट है कि नहीं. बग गिरा. जब मॉडलिंग की बात आती है ना, तो क्या होता है, ये जो सारे कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ना, कॉन्टूर वॉन्टूर सब के सारे फ्लैट हो जाते हैं, बस ऐसे दिखाते हैं कॉन्टूर लगा के हमें जैसे देखना है. ठीक है, मैं ये आपको दिखाता हूँ, दिस इज योर दिस थिंग. वो जो मेट्रो का वर्क चल रहा था ना, उसका टोपो सरफेस देखते हैं हम कैसे कर रहे हैं. Already it's 34. Just I'll show you this, all right? But you have followed what is the concept behind splitting the surface, and you have followed what is your subregion, and you have followed what is your building pad. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And suppose you want to show the contours. What you do is you go for grade level, draw it. एक लाइन खींचा ना, अभी देखो क्या हुआ है, जहां जहां लाइन गया है, you can see that it's displaying the contour level. Can you see that?
क्या किया आपने सर? सॉरी.
देखो यहाँ लाइन
एक
है,
लाइन. हाँ.
लेबल करके
ओके.
इस पे क्लिक करो और यूं ड्रॉ कर दो लाइन. वो बहुत ही बड़ा फाइल है.
तो ये मॉडिफाई में था ना, ये लाइन का टैब?
मॉडिफाई में नहीं, आपका टोपो सरफेस में है. देखो
टोपो सरफेस.
ठीक है, मासिंग एंड साइट में है.
मासिक एंड साइट.
और ये सब कंपोनेंट्स है. देखो पार्किंग प्लॉट लगाना है, दिस इज ए कंपोनेंट, यू कैन सिंपली प्लेस इट देयर. ओ लगता है मैं बाहर चला गया. ऑलराइट, इफ यू वांट यू कैन प्लेस द कंपोनेंट्स देयर. दिस इज simple. All right, so you just adjust how much space you want, and this is a family, you can edit the family. And another thing is this also actually, देखो ये जो जा रहा है ना, अगर ये फ्लैट नहीं है, जैसे क्रांति ने बोला सर मुझे स्लोप चाहिए आपको, अगर फ्लैट नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते हो. सो मैंने कंपोनेंट बोला, पार्किंग कंपोनेंट यहाँ लगाया. देखो कैसे आ रहा है, ये कहाँ गया, ये नीचे आ रहा है, देख रहे हो ना, सीधा है ना ये, लेकिन ये टोपो सरफेस नहीं ले रहा. अगर मुझे आपको ये टोपो सरफेस लेना है ना, ऐसे करो, ये सेलेक्ट करो, पिक होस्ट बोलो और टोपो सरफेस को होस्ट लगा लो, मगर नहीं हो रहा, टोपो सरफेस को होस्ट नहीं ले रहा. सो कभी कभी क्या होता है, होस्ट लोगे ना तो ये भी उसका कॉन्टूर्स को फॉलो करने लगेगा. जैसे कि देखो मैंने बोला पिक होस्ट, दिस कैन बी द होस्ट. ऑलराइट, बट टोपो सरफेस को ये होस्ट नहीं ले रहा. मतलब क्या हुआ, ये अगर मैं यहाँ लगा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, यहाँ आप देख रहे हो कि कॉन्टूर ऐसे लेवल में जा रहा है ना, देख रहे हो. ऑलराइट, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं बोलूंगा पिक वन, आई से पिक होस्ट, और मैं इसको होस्ट कर दूंगा. नहीं गया, आ तो गया, लेकिन क्या होता है जब पिक होस्ट करोगे ना, इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज राइट इट विल टेक द कॉन्टूर शेप. कभी कभी क्या होता है, ज्यादा ऑप्शन दिखाने से भी कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो बट यू हैव फॉलोड दिस पर्टिकुलर, टिल हियर you have followed, right? What I'm saying is, suppose if I want this particular thing to take this shape, all right, all I have to do is I have to click on pick host and choose that host as this one. So it will take that particular thing, but it's not happening with everything, it won't happen. So with this also it's not happening. Can you see that? All right, but that is what this is happening. This is actually, it's taking the contour as your host and automatically it is coming like that. अब यहां देखो हमने कैसे किया, दिख रहा है आपको. ऑलराइट, सो कॉन्टूर लेवल मिले तो हमने क्या किया, इनको टुकड़े टुकड़े क्यों किया, क्योंकि सेगमेंट वाइज अलग अलग लोग काम करते हैं. ठीक है, और यू कैन सी हियर व्हाट यू डिड इज वी हैव सेपरेटेड दैट. क्या देख रहे हो, जहां आपका बिल्डिंग आ रहा है, इनफैक्ट वो पूरा गड्ढा बना दिया. देख रहे हो ना, यहां मुझे फ्लैटर एरिया चाहिए. सो दिस इज ए टोटली ए डिफरेंट दिस थिंग. इनफैक्ट वी हैव रिमूव्ड दैट एंड एडेड ए फ्लोर देयर. ऑलराइट, और यहां पे देखो ये आ रहा है, गड्ढा चाहिए था, हमने स्लोली इसको मॉडिफाई किया. Did you follow that? So like this you have to modify your, देख रहे हो यहां से, this happens when you are merging. ठीक है, ये अलग पीस है, ये अलग पीस है. When you merge it, you will get it like this. Otherwise, you have to take it yourself slowly. Points लगा के slowly ले जाओ. ये simple है. यहाँ जो point है ना, ये जो level है, इसी point के ऊपर दूसरा नीचे वाला level डालो. So automatically you will get a sharp down like this. Did you get that? So this is how we need to. Then again, when you have a flatter surface, you don't have any other choice. You just delete that particular layer and put a separate one. यहाँ देखो, देख रहे हो? They have made this one actually flatter surface. Can you see that? So that means you have to work on the points there, delete all the points needed, and you just put your own points there. All right, so you have to work like this. मतलब इन क्या किया यहाँ पे, ये जो लेवल्स है इनको छोड़ के बाकी पूरा का पूरा, जैसे मैंने यहाँ किया ना, कहाँ किया, यहाँ जैसे मैंने किया था ना, पूरा का पूरा लेवल को 0 कर दो. All right, you don't have to cut it there. अभी और एक क्या है, ये मैं डिलीट करता हूँ. Let's delete this one. All right, now यहाँ देखो और एक, if I go down here and if I say merge, let's see. ओ टोटल सरफेस यहीं तक क्या, देख रहे हो, वो स्लोप के साथ मर्ज हुआ. ठीक है, उसलिए एक ही दम शार्पली मर्ज नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू डू सम वर्क. ऑलराइट, जैसे कि यहाँ आपको पता है ये सारा is 0 0, this one maybe here I can go like this. See what I will do, I'll put a point here, I'll say this support point supposed to be 0. Ama onulate I got carried, just I'll show you this one. ठीक है, यहाँ मैंने 0 0 पे लगाया, दूसरा पॉइंट ले लो, कितने में चाहिए मुझे, 5000 में चाहिए, 500, चलो 500 में चाहिए, तो क्या करो, इसी के ऊपर वो पॉइंट लगाओ फिर से.
अच्छा,
It's not that accurate, but that is how you need to go down.
पॉइंट के ऊपर ही डालना है और लेवल चेंज करना,
तो नीचे जाएगा. Exactly. चलो I'll conclude here. All right, so let's resume with this tomorrow. All right,
yes,
चलो,
thank you.
Thank you.